Poppadom vegetable savoury rice cheating today. Yep, I'm lazy. Whack that in there. And then add a few extra bits, 2 stock cubes to add to the rice. And now a good dollop of the garlic granules. Could not live without garlic granules in my cupboard. Loads of that in there. Some mixed herbs. I love mixed herbs. I literally put them in everything. Nice good sprinkle there. And a little sprinkle of white pepper. There we go. Now onto the curry. You just want a tiny splash of oil. There we go. So now the pan's heated up, I'm going to add these Plant Chef meat-free chunks to our... There we go. Whack in some spinach. In fact, I'll just probably put the whole bag in because it goes really small when you're cooking it anyway. So pop that in there. Whack the tap on. Give that a good wash. Chop these up quite finely. Just add a tin of chopped tomatoes. Oh, I hate when it splashes everywhere like that, it's so annoying. Now we'll throw in the chopped up spuds, don't need many. I'm only putting them in really because they need using up. Otherwise obviously I've got rice, so you wouldn't normally need to put potatoes and rice together. I've got a couple more there to just chop. I'm going to give that a good 5 minutes to cook the potatoes a bit, and then add the spinach and the mushrooms. So just add 4 stock cubes to the pan, and as you can hear the kettle's boiling. Just going to cook it in a little bit of veggie stock. Just keep stirring it. Just add a load of garlic to the chicken and stock now. There we go. You can never have too much garlic, can you? Now just add a little bit of mixed veg. There we go. Just give it a good stir. It's going to be so nice when it's finished. Nearly there now. Now you can add the spinach and mushrooms from earlier. And just give it a good stir. Just let this cook for 10 minutes, and then I've got a tikka jar sauce I'm going to add to it, because like I said, I have been lazy today as usual, but it doesn't matter, does it, if we get a sauce out of a jar. So alright, yeah, give that 5 or 10 minutes and I'll be back. So I've just checked it and it needs another 5 minutes, just the potatoes are slightly crunchy. And once all that's cooked, then I'll get the tikka sauce. It's going to be good, trust me. Now it's time to add the sauce. Like I said, I'm cheating. I've just got this Plant Chef spiced tikka sauce. Now that the veggies and the chicken have cooked in that stock, I think it just gives it a bit of extra flavour. Fill it up with a little bit of water. Let's get the rest of the sauce. There we go. Job's a good in. Give it a really, really good mix. Just cook for another few minutes just to warm the sauce up. Yeah, not the normal way to cut it, I know, but you should know by now that I just do things my way. It's got to be done, hasn't it? It's chopped. Right, time to dish up. This is going to be so good. There's the curry. And lastly, the veggie rice. And there we have it. There's the vegan chicken tikka done my way. Some salads, some veggie rice, finished with some poppadoms. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.